Hi everyone, welcome to Artech. What I have here today is a new flashlight from Sofirn. This is the Sofirn SK30 Tactical Flashlight. What we will do in today's video is an unboxing, go over a few of the specs and features, as well as some testing of this new flashlight. So why don't we just go ahead and jump into the unboxing for this flashlight. Here you got, looks like the flashlight inside of a carry case. And then you got this little box and nothing else inside here. So let's see what comes inside this. Looks like you get a lanyard. You got the user manual and you got a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and open up the carry case. And here we have got the flashlight itself. That's everything in the box. Now let's go over some of the specs for this light. It has a luminous SFT70 LED with a max of 3000 lumens, a 392 meter beam distance and 4-degree beam angle. Has the dual tail switch design, an aluminum 6061-T6 body and a smooth reflector. It has an IPX8 rating, a 1 meter drop rating. The spec weight is at 87 grams or 3.06 ounces. So let's go ahead and test that. So the spec weight is 87 grams. You see 158 grams, 34 ounces. Okay, so I'm not really sure where the 87 grams is that was listed on the packaging, but it is showing as 158 grams. That might be with the battery. Yeah, I have a feeling that is the weight with the battery. So without the battery, we are coming in at 89 grams. So 2 grams off of what they listed. Could be a 2 gram difference in the scale being used between ours and theirs. So I guess that's about right. And then when you add the actual battery as well, which is a 21,700 battery, you're looking at a total weight of 158 grams at that point. That's how they are getting the 87 grams weight versus my 158. Okay, this is 28 millimeters wide by 140 millimeters long. It uses a Type-C charging, which it provides the cable for you for, and it takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. There are 6 light settings on this flashlight. You have strobe, eco mode, which is around 30 lumens, low mode, which is around 150 lumens, medium at around 350 lumens, and high mode, a 1000 lumen mode. And then you have the turbo mode, you have 3000 lumen. In eco mode, the battery will last about 42 hours. Low mode has a battery life of around 20 hours. Medium mode will last around 9 hours. High mode at 1000 lumens will last 11 minutes. If you use the turbo mode at 3000 lumens, it will last for 70 seconds. Now that we have gone over the specs and features, let's go ahead and give this light a try. However, I'm not sure what kind of battery life it is shipped with, so I'm going to go ahead and charge this up off camera real quick. And when we return, we'll see just how bright all the different light settings are. So here we are back with the light now. I didn't wait the full 3.5 hours to charge it up. So we're just going to go ahead and test it with what battery life we have at the moment. I did charge it for approximately 2 hours though, so we should have plenty of charge in it. So before we test the lights out, there's 3 points that I wanted to show you on here. Right here, this is going to be your USB-C port, and this is going to be where you charge the light. You've got a little LED light here, and this is one of the ways that you're going to know what kind of charging status or how much battery life is remaining on this. If it's charging, it will have a red light on. When it's done charging, the light will turn green. And when you're actually using the light, if this is a solid green, that's going to say that the battery level is between 75 and 100%. If it's flashing green, then the battery is between 50 and 75%. If it's a solid red, that's 25 to 50%. And if it's a flashing red, that means the battery level is from 1 to 25%. And again, that's when it is currently in use. And on the bottom here, you've got 2 switches. This is going to be your on-off button, and this is going to be your mode button. And that's pretty much it for the parts on this thing. This is not a spot floodlight. There is no adjustment of the light. You get what you get with the beam on here. So now let's go ahead and let's test it out what we got here. Let me go ahead and show you how this is going to work. For your on-off switch, you've got 2 options. You can either fully press it in to turn it on, fully press it in to turn it off. If the light is currently off though, and if you half press it in, it gives you a temporary on. So just barely pressing it in, and there it is, comes on. If you do a quick double tap on it, it automatically puts it into turbo mode. And there it goes. And when you let it go, turns it off. Now, once the light is on, Right now, this is eco mode. Press the mode button. There's the low, there's your medium, and there's the high mode. Press it again, and then that's the turbo mode right there. And if you press it again, takes you back to the eco mode. Now, if you want the strobe, go ahead and hold it in, and now you've got the flashing strobe. Having this running in turbo mode, even for a few seconds, you can actually feel the front end of this, where the LED housing is, already warming up quite a bit. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the light now. We're gonna go ahead and start out with the eco mode. Okay, so that's eco. This is low mode. Medium mode. This is high mode. And this is turbo. All right, let's go back down to eco mode again. All right, so that was the Sofirn SK30 flashlight. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to leave comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day and y'all stay safe out there.